Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can blur a background in CapCut PC. So select your video and just press copy first, like right click on it and press copy, and then don't paste it yet, but just go to effects, go to basic and add in a blur like so, and then select both. Also make sure you adjust the blur. For instance, if you want a blurry, just go to the right, slide it to the right. Select both and then right click and then select create compound clip. Now you're going to paste the video on top, go to cutout and select auto cutout, and as you can see you have this blurry background. If you want it to look more natural, just make sure the blur isn't this high. So let's just go back and fix it a little bit. So I don't want the blur to be that much because it looks really fake. So I'm going to redo that and have the blur to 18 instead. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!